This season, step out of your front door and into the spirit of the holidays with Designscapes Colorado's premium lighting and decorating services. Our all-inclusive services will transform your home into a dazzling holiday haven with exquisite roof lighting, delicate tree and branch wrapping, live greenery, and more. All of our lights are customized to fit your home, your tastes, and any of the many holidays you celebrate. During a complimentary consultation, one of our designers will meet you personally to understand your tastes, meticulously measure your home, and craft a design that expresses your holiday spirit without limits. Our specialists bring years of experience to ensure your home shines brilliantly, safely, and efficiently all season long. It's never too early to start thinking about the holidays. Contact us now and schedule an appointment to bring the holidays home with Designscapes Colorado.